Welcome. This video is about Cambridge A Level 9709, paper 51 of October-November 2022. The game is played with an ordinary fair die, six-sided die. The player throws the die once. If the result is 2, 3, 4, 5, that that result is a player's score, and the player does not throw the die again. If all it is 2, 3, 4, 5. If the result is 1 or 6, the player throws for the second time, and the player's score is the sum of the two numbers for the two throws. Draw the fully labeled tree diagram to represent. So if at all it is 1 or 6, they will throw for the second time. And if at all it is 2, 3, 4, 5. If at all it is 2, 3, or 4, or 5. If at all it is 2, 3, or 4, or 5, they don't throw for the second time. So probability of getting 2 is nothing but what? 1 upon 6, and 3 is also 1 upon 6, 4 is also 1 upon 6, 5 is also 1 upon 6. But if they throw 1 and 6, they throw for the second time. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Same is the case. They throw for the second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Same is the case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And in these cases, probability is again going to be 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6. And in each case is going to be the same 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, and 1 upon 6, and 1 upon 6. Events A and B define that the player A gets 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The player B has two throws. Show that probability of A is going to be 1 upon 3. So player A should be getting it out 5. 5, how he can get it out? 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 or directly 5. So 1 plus 4, 1 is 1 upon 6. He can get 1 plus 4 or he can get 5. So this is 1 upon 6 times 1 upon 6, or this is 1 upon 6. So this is going to be 7 upon 36. Now he should be getting it out 6. How he can get 6? Probability of x equals to 6. This can be written as 1 plus 5 is going to be 6. So which is 1 upon 6 times 1 upon 6, which is nothing but how much? 1 upon 36. Next, probability of x equals to 7. It is 1 plus 6 or 6 plus 1. So it is 1 upon 6 times 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 times 1 upon 6, which is going to be 2 upon 36. Next, he gets from 8. Probability of x equals to 8. It can get from 6 plus 2. 1 upon 6 times 1 upon 6, which is 1 upon 36. And he can get 9, which is 6 plus 3. 1 upon 6 times 1 upon 6, which is 1 upon 36. Now add all. So when I'm adding all, so this is probability of getting 8 and this is probability of getting 9. So adding all, It is 7 upon 36 plus 1 upon 36 plus 2 upon 36 plus 1 upon 36 plus 1 upon 36, which is going to be 12 upon 36, which is 1 upon 3. Determine whether or not A and B are independent events. So we will find probability of B also. What is probability of B? Player has two throws. Player has two throws means he can get either 1 or 6, which is nothing but 2 upon 6, which is 1 upon 3. Probability of A intersection B. A intersection B, which is common in both A and B. How many is that? What is the meaning of probability of A intersection B? We get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many times that he can get it out of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? 6 times. 6 upon 36. That is nothing but what? 1 upon 6. Now probability of A times probability of B is going to be 1 upon 3 times 1 upon 3, which is 1 upon 9. So probability of A intersection B is not equal to probability of A times the probability of B. So therefore not independent. That is going to be the answer. Find probability of B given A complement. So probability of B given A complement is probability of A complement, probability of B intersection A complement. So probability of B intersection A complement is nothing but what? 6 upon 36, and probability of A complement is 1 minus probability of A, which is 6 upon 36, and 1 minus 1 upon 3, which is 6 upon 36 upon 2 upon 3, which is going to be 1 upon 4 or 0.25. Probability of B intersection A complement, that has to be considered. Why it is 6 upon 36? B intersection A complement means B occurs and A doesn't occurs. B occurs and A doesn't occurs. B is nothing but what? He has two throws, and A doesn't occurs means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 does not occurs. The sum 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 does not occurs. So basically what can be the sums? Sums can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I can get 10, 11, 12. These are the total numbers I can get it out. But he says that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8 does not occurs. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 does not occurs. So how many ways are left over? 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 12. So that is the way 6 ways out of 36. So that is going to be the answer. Probability of B intersection A complement is going to be 6 upon 36.